Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make a video loop on iPhone. First of all, open a browser and type here loop video and open the first link. Tap on choose file and all you have to need, just select the video which you want to make loop and then tap on choose to the bottom right corner. It may take some time to process the video here. Once it's done, select this icon here and tap on this play button to see the loop video. As you can see, the video has been successfully looped, and now tap on export and wait until it's complete. You can save the video to your Google Drive, you can save it to your Dropbox. Tap on copy direct URL to copy the video link. So save your video from here, and that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.